Guys, I just can't catch a break. You know, every time I come to the shop, I gotta drop a deuce. Well, I'm fine now, but you know, I already did that. I did that before I came here, and now I gotta go to the bathroom. Then I gotta pee, and I don't got anywhere to do that. I just can't win. There's no winning. What is going on, guys? How you guys doing today? No toque season, no more. Look at this. It's sunny outside. Wow, more lighting! Today we are going to be attempting the BNR S3 install. I'm not entirely sure if we're going to get to the downpipe. I don't think so. So I still need a couple things from the downpipe, but we're going to be focusing on, I was going to say that's the BNR, but BNR's in here. You know what? Never mind. I forgot my 3-port, so we'll be back tomorrow. Well, it's the next day, yeah, toque and a hoodie. So, well, I mean, it's sunny outside, but it's snowed this morning. So anyways, let's continue. So I finally brought everything today to do the turbo install. And like I said, I don't know what we're really gonna get done in here because I still don't really have everything. But what we need to do first is take itty bitty KO4, bring it over here, and then we will go grab the BNR S3, bring it over here. So one thing that we need to do is swap parts. I think the this already pretty much has everything on it that I need. It's got coolant lines. So anyways, we gotta swap some stuff over. I also gotta fill up. I gotta put some oil in the BNR for its initial startup, and then we can kind of go ahead and put it onto the car. I'm gonna be reusing a lot of hardware, and the studs that are in the BNR right now are good to go and ready to be used. I have new downpipe gaskets, just new gaskets in general. I gotta put some new crush washers in here to make sure those are good to go. Yeah, we can pretty much get started on this. I just gotta kind of get back into the moment and realize what I need to do. It's been, I think it's been about 2 weeks since I've been in here, so like, you know, here is the BNR S3 V1 and the OEM KO4 out of the MazdaSpeed 3. So just looking at it here, I can kind of see some things. So from its orientation, the electronic boost control solenoid has a spot on the side of the KO4, which it doesn't right here. You have your internal wastegate. BNR has their own, and a bunch of vacuum lines, which we're gonna have to figure out where they all go. Okay, I know, odd place to be doing this. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm taking off all the lines from the BNR and I'm replacing them with new cross washers, just because I want sufficient sealing. So that's all I'm doing right now, off side to the camera. It's just the coolant lines that I'm doing right now, and then I'll be doing the oil return line is at the bottom, and then the top is at the top. So the top one will be done when we actually put it into the car, because the oil feed line is on the block. So we're almost done here. Just a few more steps. All right, guys, so the BNR is ready to be put in. I just set up my 3-port from JBR. A nice little unit here. Got a walking man with a big nose. So this is on good. I put a nipple here, so this is gonna go into the left side. The middle, which is your boost reference, is gonna hit the turbo, and the right side is gonna hit your inlet pipe. And then JBR also supplied a bunch of vacuum line for that, which is awesome. So no need for a cross or anything like that. We don't need any of the extra stuff. So this is ready to go in, essentially. So we're gonna go ahead and try our best to stick it in. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. So let's go ahead and try. So what our objective is to basically line it up and get in here and start some of the nuts, and then we should be good to kind of hook all the lines up and everything, and then put the turbo mount in. So let's go ahead and let's try and do this. This is a bigger turbo, so this is going to be a little bit more difficult. Morty caught catching. We are making a move. Something's catching down there. Pretty difficult. Oh, cramp in my foot. All right, guys, so it's in there. Now my mission is to get it completely flat against the exhaust manifold here. But everything is in place perfectly, which is good. So bear with me as I try and get this thing into position. Okay, so the turbo is completely set into place now, which is bueno. It's not gonna move. It's totally attached to the exhaust manifold, so I'm just going to quickly check some torque specs here and get that torque. Gonna go ahead and install our coolant line to the turbo at the bottom there. The turbo to exhaust manifold nuts were torqued to 45 to 50 pounds, foot-pounds of torque. So now essentially what we can do is, since everything is tightened into place, the next thing at the top, technically what I should do, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the bottom of the turbo and I'm gonna attach the oil hard line. Actually, I do need to get, so this is your oil return line, and it has these gaskets. Mine chips, so I don't think I'm gonna get a solid surface, so I'm gonna order 2 more of those, so I'm not gonna install those right now. We can also install our turbo brackets that I completely took off, which I didn't actually need to. What I'm gonna do right now is go under the car and attach that coolant feed line at the bottom there. Pretty much the whole bottom of the car will be done. So I just have a couple things left to bolt up on the turbo. Like I have all my vacuum lines to run and stuff like that, but I don't want to do that just yet. I still also have to do the oil return line at the bottom, like you guys know. And then I also have to do the oil feed line top. But while I'm here, to make some extra things go by, I'm gonna do the EGR delete from JBR as well, which is super straightforward and super simple to do. So I figured I would do multiple things in this video, which I am doing. So here we have the JBR kit. Go ahead and open this up. Thank you, JBR. This literally just goes, and then this blue turbo line just goes, so it's super straightforward. I do feel like I might need some Teflon tape though, so might actually not be able to do this fully today. I can't do anything today. Everything requires something I don't have yet. Like this, for example, I can't mount this yet. I need more gaskets. Okay, we're gonna leave it at there with the turbo install. It's pretty much in, ready to go. Like I said, I can't install anything. I can't further my steps right now. Some of that stuff that goes on Teflon tape. I need some Teflon tape. I need some more gaskets. And then I should be good to go. And then hopefully the next video is installing the EGR delete, finishing up the turbo. I'll probably do my 3-bar map sensor. I'll probably do the EBCS as well while I'm in there. And then once that's all done, then it's pretty much downpipe time. Now I still need downpipe spacers, and I'll probably need some downpipe bolts. I need the nuts that go in, so I need some downpipe bolts. I have the springs, I just need the nut. Probably install the turbo mount off camera. EGR obviously won't go back in. This will be, I'll do that off camera as well. And then that's pretty much it. So a bunch of the goodies to install, but sooner or later we'll get to them. Because as for now, I can't go any further with this. So apologize for the short and uneventful video, but now we got the BNR 3 in, which means we can kind of move forward slowly to getting this done. So that being said, guys, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment down below if you guys are excited. So finally, we're so close. We're super close. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.